Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is not a paid review. This is not a paid unboxing. This is something I bought off of AliExpress for my camera. I'm hoping, but I am doing every package I get from now on, I will be unboxing it on camera just in case anything comes up as being broke or missing. This is for my camera rig for my rods. Cool. Sure if this is the right one, but I will be putting the correct name in the description. Put the name on the damn thing. One minute here. Okay, I'm back. I have the correct name for the part. This is the multifunction camera plate with 15mm rod rail clamp for DSLR shoulder rig. And let me get the phone. I'm back again. That was my sister calling. This is the multifunction camera plate with 15mm rod rail clamp for DSLR shoulder rig. So you can actually put a lot of different things on here. You got the 1/4-20 mount and the 3/8 inch mount. So you can mount more than just a camera on here. I mean, if you got the mounting plate or something, you can actually mount a battery on here, but most typically it is for a camera. But I do have a shoulder rig mount for my DSLR for the GH4. So that's the reason why I got this for. It's actually a solid piece of aluminum. I mean, it's actually really well made. So, I mean, there's not much I can say for right now on this piece. But when I get when I have it on my camera, on my camera rig, I'll have another video on that. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to like my channel, please subscribe. Coffee donations are always welcome. You can follow the link below if you want to support my channel. Thank you very much for watching.